Plants are far more complex and intelligent beings than we might think. They are highly sensitive to events in their environment and can communicate through various methods. Plants convey information to one another using chemical compounds in their leaves, roots, and even scents. For example, when a plant is damaged, such as when its leaves are eaten by an insect, it sends chemical signals to nearby plants, alerting them. These chemicals trigger defensive responses in neighboring plants, enabling them to strengthen their own defenses and prepare themselves against similar threats. Additionally, plants communicate through their roots by connecting with fungi networks in the soil. These fungal networks act as information channels between plants, allowing them to share resources and signals. This type of communication helps maintain balance in the ecosystem. Remarkably, some studies even suggest that through these networks, healthy plants can transfer resources to weaker ones, supporting each other. Through this communication system, plants not only adapt to their surroundings, but also enhance their survival skills within a type of community. This mysterious network in nature reveals that plants are not merely silent beings, but essential parts of a complex and cooperative ecosystem. Plants, often seen as stationary organisms, are actually highly sensitive to their environment and use a variety of fascinating communication mechanisms to cooperate with each other and ensure their survival. For instance, acacia trees in the African savanna release ethylene gas when their leaves are grazed by herbivores. This gas sends an alarm signal to nearby acacia trees. In response, the other trees begin to produce tannins in their leaves, a chemical compound that is harmful to herbivores and makes the leaves taste bitter, causing the animals to move away from the trees. Similarly, tomato plants also use an interesting strategy to defend themselves. If a tomato plant is attacked by insects, it sends volatile organic compounds to nearby tomato plants. Upon receiving this signal, the other plants produce defense chemicals in their leaves, making them more resistant to the attack. In forest ecosystems, trees communicate through underground mycorrhizal fungal networks. These networks transport water and nutrients from larger trees to younger, weaker trees, helping them survive. This phenomenon is known as the wood wide web, which reveals how plants support each other in nature. Corn plants also send out a type of chemical call to their surroundings for protection. When pests like caterpillars attack a corn plant, the plant releases volatile chemicals. These chemicals attract the plant's natural enemies, such as predator insects, thus helping to protect the plant. These examples demonstrate that plants are not merely passive organisms. Rather, they are highly responsive to their environment and capable of developing strategies to protect themselves, as well as cooperate with each other. These fascinating defense and communication methods show how complex and interconnected nature truly is. In this video, we've only covered a small part of the mysterious world of plants. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel to support us.